Hello everyone, welcome back to avijitp-tech. In today's video, I will show you how to create a virtual AI model to showcase your clothing products, perfect for your e-commerce websites or online shops. First, I will take a photo of the dress, preferably against a green or plain background. This makes it easier to remove the background later. I am using Canva to remove the background, but you can use any tool you are comfortable with. Online tools or other software work just as well. Next, I will go to the AI tool shown in the video. Don't worry, I have added the link in the video description for easy access. This tool runs entirely in Google's cloud environment using Google's Colab. That means the code executes on Google's server, not on your local machine. So there is no risk to your device and nothing gets installed. It's open source, so you can even check the code yourself for transparency and safety. Once the app is loaded, which may take a little time, I will click on the link to open the interface. This application is a bit resource intensive, so it's a good idea to close any unnecessary apps running on your computer to improve performance. After the interface loads, I will click on the Input Image and Advanced buttons. Now comes the prompt. This is where we describe the model we want to generate. You can write your own prompt, or I will show you how to generate a detailed one using ChatGPT. For example, say I want a male Indian model wearing a t-shirt. I will go to the Images tab, find a reference image I like and download it. Then I will open ChatGPT and upload the reference image, asking it to generate a description of the model. ChatGPT will return a detailed description. I will copy the relevant parts of the description, especially those that describe the model's look and pose, and remove any text that describes the clothing. This helps avoid conflicts between your prompt and your own clothing image. Then I will upload the dress image I captured earlier and adjust the stop at and wait value to give the AI more time for generation. Under the Performance tab, I will increase the number of images to be generated and set the quality to high. Then I will go to the Style tab, choose the style I want and hover over each options to preview it. Finally, I will click Generate and the AI will start creating the image. It may take some time, so I have fast forwarded this part in the video to keep it short. Notice it says the model pairs it with dark blue denim jeans. You can modify the prompt to reflect exactly what you want. Also, in some cases, you might notice small mismatches like pocket shapes or sizes. That's expected. I took the dress photo with my phone under normal lighting. For best result, consider using professional lighting and a good camera. The best part? This tool is completely free. You can regenerate the images as many times as you like, experiment with different styles and prompts and tweak it until you are satisfied. Now let's see how to use this application to generate a model in a specific pose of your choice. Go to the Image tab again and find a model with a pose you like. I chose this one because it has a unique stance. Download the image. Then go back to the app. In the next tab, upload both your clothing image and the pose reference image. For this step, select the Pyra method, which helps capture the pose outline. Again, increase the stop at value, leave the other settings as they are and click generate. Now this process is heavy and might stress your computer's resources. In my case, the generation failed due to limited resources. But don't worry, if that happens, you can stop the process, restart the app and try again. After restarting, I re-uploaded both images. Since we have already given the pose via the reference image, make sure to remove any pose related description from your prompt, like the model gazes slightly upward with a relaxed expression. Keeping the prompt focused on appearance, not pose, ensures better results. That's it. Your virtual AI model is ready to help you showcase your clothing online. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing it to the channel for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comment below. I will love to hear from you. Thanks again for your support, and I will see you in the next video.